Hey everyone, how are you? It's Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm so excited to have you here. I know I'm in my car. It's very random today for a grocery haul, something a little bit different. If you haven't met me before, I'm Kelly. I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and my grocery hauls are normally in my kitchen at home, but yes, I am in my car and I'm going to tell you why in a second. Let's go. Hey everyone, how are you? I'm here to film the world's shortest grocery haul ever. Well, at least in my world. So I just went to go to Woolworths because I figured that, well, we needed bread for my husband's lunch and I needed a few other things that are exactly the same price as Coles and the same quality. So I was like, it doesn't matter if it's Woolworths. So I thought I'll go there and spend $30 and get that brick pack. And there were some other really good specials that are in the catalogue that I haven't picked up yet because I've been too busy buying other stuff and was with Shelf-Timber really trying to eat down what we have. But now we sort of hit that point that we're ready to restock with a few snacky things. So I was like, I'll go. Anyway, went into Woolworths and straight away they didn't have the bread that I wanted. And the only bread left, there wasn't even the home brand bread left. I got a loaf last shop for $2.30 multigrain, and we actually were not impressed with that at all. We normally get the Coles multigrain bread. We normally get this one, Coles soft multigrain sandwich loaf. And this is $1.60, and at Woolworths it's $2.30, and actually the slice itself from Woolworths is bigger, but we found that it was getting stale by like Thursday, whereas this can last all week. And my husband said he actually wasn't very impressed with the bigger pieces because they weren't fitting well into his lunchbox. He has one of those little square Tupperware lunchbox containers, so bigger is not always better. So I just basically abandoned Woolworths and went, bread is all I care about today. So that's what I went to go and get. So yes, went from Woolworths. I was in a Westfield, bolted upstairs to Coles to get the bread. And then while I was there, I went and got two more Scrub Daddies because they were on special, 2 for $8. So they're normally $5 each. And the last time I got them, I got this yellow one and I got Scrub Mommy for $3.50 each. So I figured this deal being 2 for $8, so it's $4 each, that was worth it because they're not going to be $3.50 for a while. I had already been looking for like 8 weeks before the $3.50 bargain came out, so I just grabbed this. I have no idea what the grey one does, so I'm going to go look that up and check that out. I've looked all around, it doesn't really say, it just says exactly the same as everything else. So yeah, and I just wanted to get a spare one of these because we are loving it in our kitchen, and I wanted another one for other parts of the house. So I thought if this can be cleaning elsewhere, and then I can keep the other one for the kitchen, I'm not cross-contaminating and all the rest of it. So I've still got Scrub Mommy, which I'll probably use more for cleaning the fridge and things like that because it has a nice sponge on the back of it, so you, after you scrubbed, you can wipe the mess. I'll still use a microfiber cloth to clean, but Scrub Daddy in the grey, this isn't as hard as this one actually, so yeah. So I will, go and look them up and see what they do, and I will use them and I will let you know. So that is the world's smallest and quickest grocery haul that has ever existed for me. That wasn't just a loaf of bread, although bread usually costs me about $30 because, you know, milk and bread with everything else that falls in your trolley. So yeah, there you go, $9.60 for a loaf of bread today. Oh, it never ends. Please give this video a thumbs up because yay, I saved some money by not buying random stuff. that will be the next haul. Yeah. Leave me a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. How you going? I love chatting to lots of you in the comments. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.